Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to fix the problem with voice messages in WhatsApp on iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under this video and write your comments. And let us get started with you friends. Do you, like some other users, have WhatsApp app? Are having problems while receiving or sending voice messages? I am going to show you some methods how you can fix this problem. And first of all, let's you and I open the settings on your iPhone. Next, I recommend you to swipe to the very bottom, find the apps option. Now, find WhatsApp. Go to it. First of all, you're going to want to make sure that you have all the features enabled here, like the camera, the microphone, and also that you have notifications turned on. If any of these are inactive, friends, then you will need to connect everything. If that didn't help, friends, in solving your problem, then go back to your settings, go to General. Now friends, you'll need to find this option right here and open it up. At the top, click on it again. And it's important here that you have it enabled on Wi-Fi or data. If you have it on Wi-Fi only or if you have it turned off, then please switch it to Wi-Fi and mobile data. Go back, scroll down, find the WhatsApp app. And if you have that upload disabled next to WhatsApp and you need to turn it back on. To do that, just click on the button you have from the word WhatsApp. In this way, friends, you can also solve the problem of voice messages. If unfortunately, and this didn't help you either, then go back to the general settings of your iPhone. Now go to the iPhone memory. And here you will also need to find the WhatsApp app as well. Open it, and you will need to unload it and reinstall it on your phone. For this, friends, you need to first click right here to clean and delete the data. After this unloading, you will need to click again to install the app. This method will help you with 100% probability to fix any issues in WhatsApp, because in this way all the data, all the files of this app will be updated. The app will be updated to the latest version. Some corrupted and unnecessary files will be deleted. And you will be able to make full use of WhatsApp application again. This is the way, friends, you will be able to fix the problem with voice messages in WhatsApp app on iPhone. I really hope, friends, this video was helpful to you. Please, friends, write your comments, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Take care, friends.